Today we're going to tour a very special mansion in the hills of Claremont. 7,500 square feet, 6 bedrooms, 6.5 bathrooms, built in 1990. 2 bedrooms with full bathrooms on the first floor. Very nice neighborhood. This house has almost 1 acre to itself. Very impressive foyer entrance with very high ceilings, close to 30 feet. As we enter here, the formal living area is the first thing you see to the left. Nice columns across from the office with beautiful wood paneling. Really impressive. Nice views to the front yard. And built-in bookshelves. As you walk in, there is a first floor bedroom ensuite. Nice vanity here, and a full bathroom, and a large walk-in closet facing the pool. Outside of this bedroom, you have the guest bathroom, which is properly situated as far away from any public entertaining areas as possible, so that your guests may rest in peace. As we come over to this side of the house, I'll call it the north wing, we have a full gym setup. Next to that, we have a nice formal dining room, very elegant, adjacent to the bar for great entertainment space here with another living area. Next to the breakfast nook, which faces the pool, a nice place to relax and have coffee in the morning. Next to your formal kitchen, and I call it the formal kitchen because there is a second kitchen, which we will check out in a minute. Double wall ovens by KitchenAid. Nice 5-burner range by KitchenAid. Nice double electric stovetop there under the KitchenAid refrigerator. Garbage disposal, washer dryer, and a large walk-in pantry with nice shelving and a Sub-Zero refrigerator. Let's head down the hall. Take a look at a second first floor bedroom ensuite with its own private entrance, closet, cabinets, and a full bathroom. As we head down the hall a little further, we'll pass the 4-car garage, the laundry area, and the second cooking kitchen. Now this is where it all really goes down, with 2 woks, double sink, full cabinets and quartz counters, refrigerator, preparation space facing the pool in the backyard, and a view of the mountains, which I'll show you at the end. Here is our bathroom, full shower, toilet, sink, and a full sauna. Not bad. Let's check out the rest of the house, which is quite extensive. We're gonna head up the back staircase here. Which has nice views of the mountains. I'll save those for the end. A nice landing here with a chandelier. French doors that lead out to the balcony. 3 bedrooms here on the top floor. This bedroom is ensuite with a full bathroom and a tub and a closet. Nice hallway cabinets there. Second bathroom on the top floor with a full bathroom ensuite and a tub and a walk-in closet as well. And finally, the primary suite which is outstanding. This primary suite is magnificent. Huge, full living area, plenty of space for your king-size bed, a nice balcony to enjoy your morning coffees and views of the mountains, and this walk-in closet is absolutely massive. This walk-in closet by itself is the size of some people's primary bedrooms or larger. Here we are in the primary bathroom. Nice shower, double vanity with vanity area. I don't know what to call this. 2 sinks plus a vanity area. Water closet, beautiful tub, sunken tub with a nice view out there. Plenty of linens, space, double door entry. And we'll come over here. There's a see-through fireplace next to the primary bedroom's office, which has its own little wet bar with refrigerator built in and a Juliet balcony. So you may greet your guests as they enter your formal entry. Lastly, let's check out the backyard really quickly. Take a look at the pool and the outdoor jacuzzi and the view of the mountains with a large yard given the size of our property. And glory me, it just started raining, but that is okay because we have a nice covering over our heads where we can sit and enjoy the space. We have a formal entertaining area here with an outdoor barbecue grill and a beautiful in-ground pool with raised jacuzzi and waterfall. And I wish I could show you the amazing view of the mountains, but they are covered with clouds right now since it's raining. The driveway is large enough for a basketball court and a 4-car garage and a huge backyard for gardening, farming, planting. We have citrus trees. We've got all kinds of trees growing back here. Just an amazing space. Please call if you have any questions or if you'd like a private tour. We'd love to help you out. Also 29 solar panels on the house. Thank you so much. And here's the view I promised you of the mountains, although it's still cloudy, and this is from the primary suite. Hope you enjoy.